Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again with the first modern dirt bike I've ever ridden. Rode them when I was a kid, but whew, this could be different. This is a 2019 Yamaha WR250F. From everything I could find, I kind of did a little bit of looking here, and it was not easy. I was finding a claimed 35 brake horsepower. Somewhere around, I found like at one place said 17 wheel max torque, and it was interesting because I couldn't really find a lot of data on it. I mean, I found wet weight at 254 pounds, which is insanity. So really light. This one has a little bit of a lowering link on it. I can see that already. Some aftermarket parts here. Aftermarket levers. Yeah. I believe this was, when this is new, this was like $8 grand. Something like that, $8,100. So not cheap. But, I mean, for what it is, it'll be interesting. This seat height is insanely tall. I am 5'9", and there's no way I'm getting my leg over that, so I'll stand on the peg. However, like most dirt bikes, we are going to be really tall, so let's throw it over. Suspension compresses a little bit. At 5'9", I am on my tiptoes right now. We are in gear, obviously, because you saw it kind of move forward. Interesting sound, dirt bike. That's steel braided brake lines. Yeah, this has, I don't know how many hours this has, and I believe the owner told me it was like 32 hours. Yeah, super lightweight. Holy shit. Very loud too. Holy cow. Oh, stand up here. Ooh, a nice hole in the ground there. Paying attention to where I'm going. Plenty of torque. Good Lord. This little 249cc single is very torquey. Well, we can test and see how what the turning circle is on this bike. The turning circle is really good. That wasn't even that great a one. Because, yeah, I'd like to experience the bike, but, you know, I don't have a big off-road section here, so I can't really do anything with that. Really torquey. Really torquey. mean, this thing just trundles along through everything. It really does. It just trundles along through everything. God, it's been a long time since I've ridden a dirt bike. Man. The tires are really good though. These things just go through anything. Anything. You catch me doing this on my Indian. Just simple shit, just simple, just have fun. Oh, this bike is really good though. Man, don't hit those big ass rocks. This doesn't have a big ass 21-inch front wheel though. I bet you it'll go through over it. That's the thing about a bike like this. I mean, Jesus. Versus riding on the street, man, you can just do whatever the fuck you want. Whee! Oh man, you're too old for this shit, man. Why you gotta act like a kid? Because it's fun. That's why, goddammit. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go out on the trails. If y'all watch this video, you want to see an old man do some trail riding, you let me know. Ladies and gentlemen, 2019 Yamaha WR250F. Absolute blast in just a short period of time. Alright everybody, love y'all. Please like, subscribe. We'll keep the content coming for you. Everybody stay safe, and as always, and as I just did, enjoy the ride.